Now I will show this motion study. Just play it. Now see. This called bending machine. Still angle. Any types of angle you can bend by this machine. If you want to set this another point, you can set this. Okay. Today I am going to show the angle bending machine. Today I am going to show this bending machine, this steel angle bending machine. You can set this any point. If you require any types of angle, you can set this bearing position, this there or there. Now I will show animation. Just play it. This is the assembly animation. Then I will show everything step by step. Just stop it and just go to there and just right click and just go to this animate collapse. Again go to this, just stop it. This is starting. Go to this 3D motion. Now see this complete bending machine. You can set this. If you bend this in this point, then it will move this in this position. If you require anything this level, just you can change this up and down. Just go to this 3D view and just you can this down or up, or another mechanism is used for this up and down. Just you can up down like this. You can set this up down. Now just go to this model. Just I will set it and go to this I delete this and delete this relation. Again delete this relation. Yes. Now see, you can set it in your any point, just up and down. You can set it in any point. You can adjust in any point. If you require this, just it up and down, down and up. Again you can up. Okay, I use this mechanism, this rack, and with this spar gear, just you can up and down. Suppose if you want to set in this point, just you will press, and this is the adjustable nut. You can adjust by this nut or another side, and you can down this and you can adjust in this point. So if your angle can be any size, you can bend this machine. Okay, if anyone needs such type of projects, please knock me and inform me about your projects by our Gmail. My Gmail is available in the description. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get new design, new projects. Thank you for watching.